Dry, itchy, sensitive skin. Trust me, I've been there. If you're like me and you're looking for a rich, thick moisturizer that keeps the body hydrated all day long, then the La Roche-Posay Lipikar Baume AP+M might be the one for you. Could this be the best body moisturizer for dry, sensitive skin? Let's find out. What makes this special? It's a triple repair body cream that helps reduce dry, rough skin and provides hydration throughout the day. The key ingredients include prebiotic thermal water. If you've used your thermal water before, you know it's very calming and refreshing on the skin. Next, we have ceramide 3. This helps with moisture retention. Shea butter to help with moisturizing the skin. Glycerin, this helps with hydration. And 5, we have niacinamide to help even out the skin tone. Here are the 2 Lipikar creams that I have used. The white pump is EU. The blue pump is US. I'm sure you're wondering why mine is called Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream, whereas right now you can see it on your website or in store as Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. That's because La Roche-Posay did a change, but it's the same content inside. So I'm going to first of all start with showing you the texture of the US version. I should have something left. Come on. Do you guys see this? It is moving nowhere. Now this is a lot of lotion I used. You don't need to use this much. Do you see what my skin looks like? Before, after. You can totally see a huge difference. It is non-sticky, non-greasy. The more air gets into it, it's going to sink into the skin very well. And if you're wondering what the EU version looks like, it's really the same thing in my opinion. This one is empty. But I should have something in here. See that? Also thick and not moving anywhere. Just going to blend this in like so. Although I kind of feel that the EU version is a lot lighter in consistency. It's not as thick as the US version, but they give you the same results, to be honest. So it spreads easily and melts right into the skin, leaving it soft and hydrated without being sticky or greasy. It just looks really, really nice. And your skin still feels really soft throughout the day. I know it claims that your skin will stay hydrated for 48 hours. I don't think there's anyone that will wear this for 48 hours. Well, if you do, that's fine. But I wear this for about 10 to 16 hours because I need to shower, then reapply. But trust me, till I shower, my body is soft, feels really nice. I know that, you know, my skin is not dry. So even if you decide to stay and not shower till the next day, your body will still feel the same way, if that makes sense. Why do I love these moisturizers or this? Because it's the same thing, or this moisturizer. I love it for 2 reasons. One, it is non-sticky or greasy. I don't like my skincare product or body care products to be oily or greasy in any way. And this moisturizer doesn't do that. Secondly, long-lasting hydration. I like that I don't need to reapply the cream to my body. Sometimes you'd see or you'd hear me say that when I use a lotion or a cream, I need to seal with oil. I do not need, you know, body oils to seal this, to lock it up. Do you get what I mean? So you're getting a 2-in-1 product with these moisturizers. No need to buy a body oil. If you're looking for a good body moisturizer to use this winter that's going to help soothe and moisturize your skin now that the weather is really dry, I highly recommend that you give the La Roche-Posay Lipikar Baume AP+M a try. Your skin will thank you. So could these be the best body moisturizer for dry, sensitive skin? In my opinion, yes. With all I've shared with you guys and how this works for my dry skin, get it. Get it. That's it for this review. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, share it, and also watch my other videos on the screen. Mwah. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.